सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. ॐ. Page 174, verse 129. नासदासीद्विभातत्वात् नो सदासीच्च बाधनात्. विद्यादृष्ट्या श्रुतं तुच्छम् तस्य नित्यनिवृत्तितः. The entire universe, the world, what we are experiencing, is direct perception. Directly, I am perceiving the world is called direct perception. This direct perception alone is called as pratyaksha pramanam. Direct perception means pratyaksha pramanam. For everyone, this world is directly experienceable. Pratyaksha means direct. Pramana means a means of knowledge. Direct perception is a means of knowledge so that I can say world is. The world is pratyaksham. It is available for everyone. Therefore, we say world is. According to Shastra, the world is nothing but a visible Maya. We have to understand, this is the very important portion in Panchadasi. Nowhere this much elaboration of Maya is discussed. Therefore, we have to grasp very carefully. Then we can understand the exact, the essence of Shastra. Maya alone is manifesting as universe. Universe alone is nothing but Maya in potential form. So, Maya is nothing but an invisible world or universe. Maya means an invisible world or unmanifest world is called Maya. Or world in potential form is called Maya. World in its potential form is called Maya. Same Maya in its visible form, manifesting form, tangibly available form is called Prapanchaha. So Maya alone is called as Prapanchaha. Prapancha alone is called Maya, but the status alone is changing. What is that status? Visible status, invisible status. There is only status difference, avastha bhedaha. Natu vastavika bhedaha. Avastha bhedaha means only in status there is a difference. Vyakta avastha world, avyakta avastha Maya. One water gets two names: liquid form, vapor form. One water is called as liquid form and vapor form or steam form. But water is same. Similarly, this Prakriti alone is called Maya in its invisible form and prapancha in its visible form. Prakriti is another name for Maya. Now, having got this much information, now we have to enter a technical topic, highly technical. The world is there. Regarding world, there are 4 types of categories, or 4 categories, or 4 types of views we can see here. One is pratyaksha drishtya. Number 1, from the direct perception angle, pratyaksha pramana drishtya. Jagat. World is there or not, this is discussed at 4 levels. One group of people say the world is there. What is the pramanam for them? Pratyaksha pramanam. So, pratyaksha pramana drishtya, world is there. According to them. According to them means according to all people. According to all ajnanis. World is there. This is called pratyaksha pramana drishtya jagat asti iti. Because I am perceiving it every day. What way? Man is. That isness, it is existence. So world is in the form of what? Man, woman, chair, flower, desk, house, so many. World is nothing but many forms and many names. Therefore, world is very strong pramanam, pratyaksha pramanam. It is called upajivya pramanam. Upajivya pramanam, very powerful, independent pramanam. Upajivya pramanam, pratyaksha pramanam, drishtya jagat asti. This is first view of regarding the jagat. Now, shrutya, shruti pramana. Shrutya, jagat, world is not there. It is asat. It is not there, it is asat. Non-existent. According to Shastra, world is non-existent. This Shastra Pramanam is also Upajivya Pramanam. Shastra Pramanam is also Upajivya Pramanam, powerful, independent Pramanam. This is number 2. Number 1 is what? World is there. Jagat asti. Number from pratyaksha pramana drishtya. Number 2 is world is not there. Jagat nasti asat. Shruti pramana drishtya. Shrutya. Shruti drishtya jagat asti. Pratyaksha pramana. Shruti drishtya jagat nasti. Pratyaksha pramana drishtya jagat asti. Third category, see, one group of people say Jagat is not there. That means Shastrik people. Vedantic Shastrik people, those who take Shastram alone is Pramanam, they say world is not there, like Gaudapada Acharya. Na nirodho na chotpattihi na baddho na cha sadhakaha na mumukshur na vai muktaha ityesha paramarthata. According to Gaudapada Acharya, who is very, very strong in Shastra Pramanam, he says no world. But maximum 99% of people say what Pratyaksha Pramanam world is. Another third group of people, they come and say, why one group of people says world is there, another group of people say world is not there. Let us combine both. World, Sat and Asat, Sadasat. Why can't we take like that? This is the third opinion, third category. Why you are quarreling between this Pratyaksha Pramanam and Shastra Pramanam? Suppose quarrel comes, who will win? Both are fighting. Who will win? No one can win because both of them are Upajivya Pramanam. Both of them are independent. No one, the Pratyaksha Pramanam also do not have the power to negate Shruti Pramanam. Why? Because it is also Upajivya Pramanam. Similarly, Shruti also, however may be great Veda, it cannot say Anubhava Pramanam, Pratyaksha Pramanam, it cannot negate. Why? Pratyaksha Pramanam is also Upajivya Pramanam, powerful Pramanam. So none of them can negate each other. That is why you people quarrel like bride side and groom side, you know. Bride side and groom side both will fight. What is problem? Marriage cannot be happen, no, cannot be taken place. So similarly, that Pratyaksha Pramanam and Shastra Pramanam both are quarreling. None of them can negate each other. Third category person come and says, let me keep world exist also, non-existent also. Why can't we take like that? World is existent and non-existent also. Then we say like that, there is a problem. Why? Existent and non-existent cannot coexist simultaneously. World is there and world is not there cannot exist simultaneously. It is not possible because both are diagonally opposite. They cannot coexist. So Sad and Asat simultaneously coexisting is not possible. Therefore, third category cannot be accepted. Viruddhatvat. Pratyaksha Pramana, world is there when he says, what is the hetu he said in this sloka 129, you see? Bhatatvat. Because it is experienceable. Bhatatvat. Because it is evident, experienceable, tangibly. Therefore it is there. This Shruti Pramana Drishtya, they say world is not there at all. Why? He also gives the reason, Badhanat. You have given Hetu, I also have Hetu. Hetu means reason. World is there, this Pratyaksha Pramana Vadi says world is there because the Hetu is Bhatatvat. It is available. This person, Shastri means what? Who strongly take this standpoint of Shastra. He says world is not there because Shruti says Badhanat. It is negatable. Trikale api nasti jagat tasmat jagat na asti. Satyam must be there at the 3 periods of time. All the 3 periods of time it must be there. Then only it is Satyam. Satyam is that which is available in all the 3 periods of time. Past, present, future. But Upanishad says, Neha nana asti kinchana. Brahmaiva purastat paschad dakshinatah uttarena adhascha urdhvam. Nothing is there other than Brahman. Shastra says, therefore world is not there. Badhanat. World disappears when you go to deep sleep. World disappears when you go to pralayam, laya, pralaya. Therefore it is not there all the time. Therefore how can you say it is Satyam? It is existent. You cannot say. So here too he has given Bhatatvat Badhanat. This is Shruti Pratyaksha Pramanataki and Shastra Pramana. This third one, Sadasataki, there is no Pramanam at all. So refuted. Sadasat is not possible. Viruddhatvat Hetuhu. Viruddhatvat, both are diagonally opposite. It cannot be accepted. So what to do now? World is there or not now? Quarrel. So what we do, time being, let us reconcile this problem temporarily. We accept another fourth category. What are the first three categories? World is Sat. Second category is what? World is Asat. Third category is world is Sadasat. These three are not possible because Tarka Drishtya or Yukti Drishtya, we reconcile this problem temporarily by using a word. What is that? World, neither Sat nor Asat or Sadasat. Then what else is there? Sadasad Vilakshanam Jagat. First one is what? World is means Asad Vilakshanam. Asad Vilakshanam, it is not non-existent. I am putting in a different word. Okay? Pratyaksha Pramanavadi says world is there means it is not non-existent. Means what? Asad Vilakshanam. Second category, Shastra Drishtya, world is Asat when you say, it is Sadvilakshanam. First category says Asadvilakshanam, Jagat means Sat. Second category says it is Asat means what? It is Sadvilakshanam. Other than Sat. Other than Sat is what? Asat. These two are technical terms. Vilakshanam different. And first you listen, go on, you can understand. So third category, Sadasat also not accepted. That is why this world is there or not, we say fourth category, world is seemingly there. And the seeming adjective you have to put. And that is called Yukti, where we use the logic here. World is neither Sat nor Asat or Sadasat. It is Sadasad Vilakshanam. It is neither existent nor non-existent, but it is seemingly existent. World is neither existent like Pratyaksha Pramana emphasize, or it is not non-existent like Shastra Pramana, but it is, even third also ruled out because Viruddhatvat Sadasat also it is not, but it is seemingly existent. That seemingly existent is called Tarka Drishtya, Yukti Drishtya. Tarka Drishtya or Yukti Drishtya, it is called seemingly existent. Technical name is Anirvachaniyam. Anirvachyam, it is said. I am just consolidating because I felt that I have confused you in the last class, I felt. So it is so confusing because I introduced this shloka the last moment. That's why I am giving that clarity today. I am redoing the few points what I said. I am bringing that, picking up the thread from there last class, and I am redoing the whole thing to clarify you. Now, this Sadasad Vilakshanam means it is neither Sat nor Asat. It is different from Sadasat. That is called Anirvachaniyam. It is called Mithya. Mithya. Now, this world is coming under what category? Mithya category. It is not Sat category or Asat category. What is the reason? Now fourth category we have arrived at Anirvachaniyam, inexplicable. Maya or Prapancha is Anirvachaniyam. It cannot be explained. It cannot be explained means what? It cannot be explained as it is there and you cannot explain. Or you cannot say it is not there also you cannot say. Because Pratyaksha Pramanam, Upajivya Pramanam. Therefore, you cannot say it is not there. Similarly, badhanat, you cannot say it is there permanently, you cannot say. Shastra Pramana also powerful. Therefore, I want to make a coalition. Coalition madri, both of you don't fight each other. Let us have a temporary some adjustment. What is that? Anirvachaniyam mithya prapanchaha asti. Seeming world is there. Why this interpretation? Why this reconcile adjustment? Why we have to do? Na? In seeming existence, now you see, Maya is equal to Jagat. Isn't it? Maya is equal to Jagat. What is the advantage of this fourth category? Inexplicable anirvachaniya mithya prapanchaha asti. What is the advantage of this fourth category? Why Upanishad has to introduce? Because there are lot of advantages. The advantage is Maya is equal to Jagat. Jagat is nothing but Maya only in manifesting Nama, Rupa, form. Okay? This Jagat is seemingly existent. According to fourth category, Tarka Drishtya, it is seemingly existent. This seemingly existent world cannot disturb me. Seemingly existent world. In Bommalakulu, you kept what? Seeming tiger, seeming elephant. Can they threaten you? Seeming means what? It is not real. Like your Swapna. Swapna is there or not? It is there. Is it real? No. Seemingly existent. That is why you are not afraid of your Swapna. Similarly, the world, when it is seemingly existent, it cannot disturb you. It cannot cause fear. It cannot cause insecurity. It cannot cause unhappiness. Why? Irikara madiri. Totram. As though seemingly existent. Then what is the advantage? Jagat cannot disturb me. Jagat is nothing but Maya. Therefore Maya, once Jagat is mithya, anirvachaniyam, seemingly existent, it cannot disturb me. Maya is not different from Jagat. Jagat only in potential form is Maya. Therefore Maya is also mithya. Maya, sattva, rajas, tamo, gunatmika, Maya cannot disturb me. Why? It is seemingly existent. You are seemingly intelligent. You are seemingly intelligent. You are not intelligent. So you cannot come and ask me questions. Because you are seemingly intelligent. If you are really intelligent, another bhayam, no? Like that, you are seemingly intelligent, eppadiyo, adhe madri world, once it is seemingly existent, how can it disturb me? It cannot disturb. Since its original nature is Maya, Maya is also seemingly existent. This body-mind is made out of what? Body, mind, idella Vidyaranyar sollala. This is what teaching. Okay. I want to give that phalam, jnana phalam to you. Ninga vandi, nanu urichi vekkira kaila, ninga saapana avladha. Guru job is the urichi vekkira kaila, apra saapana namu. Since world is seemingly existent, a seeming entity, that existent entity cannot disturb me. Since world is nothing but Maya in potential form, therefore Maya is also seemingly existent. It is mithya. Since body and mind is made out of Maya, mithya, Maya, it cannot disturb me. What way? This seeming existent Maya, which is appearing as body-mind complex with what? Disease, old age, death, and all sorts of insecurity, unhappiness, all problems which are caused by this body-mind, can they disturb me? Why? A seemingly existent body, mind, that which has got birth, death, old age, disease, they are belong to Mithya Maya. Because this body is made out of Maya. Clear? So, Upajivya Pramanam, Pratyaksha Pramanam, another Upajivya Pramanam, both of them are powerful. You cannot attack them, you cannot touch them. Therefore, I introduce a seemingly existent Mithya category for time being to get the knowledge that I am Muktaha. After getting that knowledge, now I go towards Shastra side. What? Tucham. Tucham. Now come to the example. Snake appearing upon the rope. The rope snake is, one person says, Guru, the one who sees rope as rope, he says there is no snake. The one who sees there is a snake, he says snake is. Snake is Satyam. The one who knows that there is no snake at all, he says there is no rope, snake at all, there is only rope. Now what we have to say? Ivaniki pratyaksha pramanam, avaniki shastra pramanam. So in between, snake is seemingly real. And the seemingly real, I had fear. So seemingly real. At that time when I am saying seemingly real also, really snake is there. That's why this person says tucham. Second line you see, vidya drishtya shrutam tucham. Before going to that, let us see the first line. Nasadasi, no sadasi. Enna this nasadasi? This mantra, Nasadasiya Suktam, it comes in Rigveda, Suktam. Very powerful Suktam, Rigveda Suktam. This Pratyaksha Pramana, first of the line, first half, Na Asat Asit, is putting in a double negative, that's all. Na Asat Asit means what? Non-existence was not there. When you are talking about the world, you should not say world is non-existent. Before creation of this world was not there in the Maya. It is not there if you say, it is Asat if you say, how can the world can come from Asat Maya? Non-existent Maya, how can it become the universe? Asat iti, if you say world is non-existent, if you say, how before the creation world was not there? Pot was there in the clay or not? Pot was there in the clay. Otherwise, how can clay can come? So, asataha katham sadjayeta. From a non-existent Maya, how can an existent world can come? The world is existent, if you say non-existent, how can this existent world can come from non-existent Maya? This is the discussion. Maya alone is world. This world which has come as a product, it must be there in its cause Maya. Is it not? Slowly follow me. I request you. Now it is my request. I pray all gods. Okay. World was there in the Maya before its emergence or not is the question. This world, visible, tangible world, was it there in Maya or not? Shastra says not there. If you say world means what? It is asat. Then how can asat, from asat Maya, how the sat world can come? Asataha, from non-existent, Sat world how it can come? Since it is coming, it was there in Maya in potential form. Asataha, from non-existent, Sat, existence, cannot come. What is this existence? Flower is? Flower is. Mic is? This easiness has come from non-easiness or easiness? Without godum maavu, how can you do chapati? இல்லையா இல்லை சப்பாத்தி பண்ணியாச்சு சுவாமினி என்ன எங்க இருந்தன ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. From nothing I have created, from shunyam you have created chapati, or from non-existence you created chapati. No, from floor, that wheat floor I made the chapati. Similarly, the whole jagat has come means from something it has to come. Something is what Maya. So Maya must be there. So it is non-existent in the world vara mudiyadu. Appo enna anartham? This world has come into existence means it was there in potential form without nama rupa, in potential form, in Maya. Therefore, existent world only has come, not non-existent world. World was in potential form in Maya. That same Maya is appearing now. That's why asataha katham sajjayeta. Asatchet na pratiyeta. Asatchet na pratiyeta. If it is non-existence, it would have not been appeared. If it is non-existent, now on this desk, is there a pot? On this desk, is there a pot? Or elephant? Why? There is no pratiti. Therefore, you say, there is no elephant. Similarly, can you say there is no world? Hey, in front of me it is appearing. How? What form it is appearing? Satta. Satta. Chair is, fan is, woman is, man is. That easiness is what? That easiness is what? It proves what? Existence. Easiness proves existence. Existence of what? World. In the form of name and form. World is there in what form? In easiness form. In easiness form, it is there. Therefore, we should not say world is not. That is why he says, asat na asit means what? Sad asti. Non-existence was not there. Na? Existence is there. Existence was there. And the first line, first half. Asat na asit means what? Non-existence was not there. Means what? Existence was there. That existence only appearing in the form of world. Now come to the second half. Why he said bhatatvat? Because it is appearing tangibly from morning onwards. Water varda illaya? Water is there. Gas is there. Irukke. Tiffin is there today. Is. You are talking from morning onwards. When you wake up, pasi irukka. Hunger is there. Thirst is there. You are telling world is not there. It is there. Na asat asit. Sadeva asit. Sadeva somya idamagra asit. Sadeva somya idamagra asit. Now second half, first line. Sat na asit. The world was not there even in Maya. Uchi pramanam? Shastra pramanam. Shruti pramanam. Sat na asit means the world was not there in the Maya at all. When you are see, just an aside point. Takkan vandadella sollanum. Okay. Shastra pramana says world was not there in the Maya. Why? Badhanat. Since it is negatable. If you feel difficulty, I'll tell you the example. Now the person who saw the rope as rope, can he say there was snake in the rope? A person who sees the rope as rope, can he say snake was there when there was semi-darkness? Rope was there, can he say? Adhe madrida. See second line now. Vidya drishtya shrutam tuchham. Vidya drishtya means jnana drishtya. From the standpoint of vidwan. Shruti drishtya. Shrutam, it is heard. Vidya means Shruti or vidwan or wise person. Trikale api nasti iti tuchham. Trikale api nasti. Snake was not there. When he was seeing in semi-darkness the rope, snake was not there. Snake was there or not? Snake was there in semi-darkness when he was seeing snake upon the rope. Really, snake was there? Konja strong sollunga. It was not there. That is what he says here. Sat world is not there in Brahman. At the time of even Ajnana Kale Api Jagat Nasti. Even this person, while seeing in semi-darkness upon the rope, he is seeing a snake. That snake was there or not? Not there. How did a Bhranti? That is why wise person says, Vidya drishtya shrutam. What? Sarpaha tuchham or mithya? Tuchham. Really speaking. But even Puriya Vekkradikaha, suddenly straight away if we say tuchham, class ke varmata. Irukappa, Jagatirika, Papa Ninga Bayapati, you are afraid of that snake. Therefore, Guru slowly says, it is Anirvachaniyam, Irkaramadri Thotram, Apra Nunaka Teriyana. This is Anirvachaniya Khyati is a temporary adjustment. It's not real. Okay? Understand? Anirvachaniya, in Vichara Sagara, lot of analysis go on and on and on. Finally, Vidyaranya straight away he deletes. Tuchham. Snake was not there. He is not there. Ever will be not there. On the rope. Adu madri. Vidya drishtya shrutam tuchham tasya nitya nivrittitaha. Tasya means what? Jagataha. Maya. They are not really there. Tasya. In example, what is Tasya means of that snake. Anartha. And the snake nudaya existence always negated. It was not there, it is not there, it can never be there. So, nitya nivrittitaha. All the time it is negatable. When he was seeing the snake upon the rope also, snake was not there. When he puts the light on the rope, snake is not there. Later snake is going to come, it won't come. In the Oru Slokam Vedantatik. Okay. So, Vidya drishtya srutam tuchham tasya means of that world which is asat, nitya nivrittitaha. Even when you are in Ajnana, you are seeing the world as though it is there. What is there is not world. It is Brahman. The easiness belongs to Brahman, not to Maya. Mara enna idu Maya enna pandradana? Maya nature, lakshanam, I will tell you. You have to understand Maya in 3 ways. Then Maya lakshanam, Maya karyam and Maya status. I will tell you. What is Maya status? Sapta is the status of Maya. Maya is that easiness given by whom to Maya? Satyam Brahma. Maya is. That easiness belongs to Maya or Brahman? Pochu Maya. Avladha. That's what he says next shloka. Now this shloka is clear. 129. Have I clarified? Are you happy? Okay. We'll go to next shloka. 130. तुच्छा निर्वचनीया च वास्तवी चेत्यसौ त्रिधा ज्ञेय माया त्रिभिर्बोधैः श्रौतयौक्तिकलौकिकैः असौ माया त्रिधा ज्ञेया. May you know this Maya as three varieties. Bodhaihi means by three vision. No? You must have three drishtis. First drishti, second drishti, third drishti. மூணு திருஷ்டி இருக்கணும். இந்த மாயா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா எனக்கு மூணு திருஷ்டி வேணும்னு சொல்றாரு. அசௌ மாயா, வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஸ்லோகா. What are those three drishtis? Tridha Gneya, Maya Gneya, Tucham Anirvachaniya Vastavi. Tuchha Maya, Anirvachaniya Maya and Vastavi Maya. You can put instead of Maya, Tuchha Prapancha, Anirvachaniya Prapancha and Vastavi Prapancha. இப்படி போடலாம். பிரபஞ்ச மீன்ஸ் ஜகத், ஜகத் மீன்ஸ் யூனிவர்ஸ். திஸ் யூனிவர்ஸ் இஸ், யூ கேன் சே துச்சம் ஆல்சோ, யூ கேன் சே அனிர்வச்சனீயம் ஆல்சோ, யூ கேன் சே வாஸ்தவம் ஆல்சோ. From what standpoint? To understand this shloka only I gave that much background. Now it is easy for you to understand. Respectively you have to supply. Shrauta drishtya asau maya tuchha. Maya is Strilinga. That's why Maya Tuchha. Asau Maya Shrauta Drishtya means which Drishti? Shastra Drishtya. Tuchha. Number one. Number two, Asau Maya Yauktika Drishtya. Drishtya you have to supply every time. Asau Maya Yauktika means Yukti, Tarka. Yeah, Yauktika. Yauktika drishtya anirvachaniya. Anirvachaniya means what? Mithya. Anirvachaniya is called mithya. Anirvachaniya means inexplicable, undefinable. You cannot define, you cannot describe, explain. Anirvachaniya yauktika drishtya. What is left out? Laukikaihi drishtya vastavi. Means pratyaksha pramana drishtya. Laukika means ajnanis drishtya. From ajnani people drishtya, vastavam. World is there or not, when people ask, don't answer. From what standpoint you have to ask. They do not know these standpoints and all. They ask, world is there? World is there. Why not? World is there. We have to say, yes, yes. That's why Shastra answers different levels of people. Now you see, for Ajnanis, world is real. Vastavi. Thunder is real or unreal? Real. Okay. Vastavi. Laukikaihi drishtya. Asau Maya Tribhihi Bodhaihi Gneya. By these three visions, you have to understand the Maya. Now you have understood Maya. After long time, great discovery. Maya. Now, this is the nature of Maya. What is the nature? Tuchha Maya, Anirvachaniya Maya and Vastavi Maya. From three standpoints is the nature of Maya. Maya Lakshanam enna idudha slokam. Ore or slokam you won't get anywhere. Note down. Maya Lakshanam Panchadasi 6th chapter 130 sloka. And you can note down. Now Maya's function, what it does. Now comes Nrisimha Uttara Tapaniya Upanishad. Asya sattvam asatvam cha jagato darshayatyasau प्रसारणच्च संकोचात् यथा चित्रपटस्तथा असौ माया. First line, last word. Asau maya. What is this asau maya? Asya sattvam asatvam cha jagataha. This maya is having sattvam and asatvam. This is the status of maya. It is there, it is not there also. That means what? It is neither, you cannot say it is there also, you cannot say it is not there also. Sattvam asatvam cha asya jagataha darshayati. This is the function of maya. What is the job of maya? Making the universe as existent and non-existent. Existent for ajnanis and non-existent for jnanis. Therefore, it is neither existent nor non-existent. Therefore, it is anirvachaniyam. Jagataha sattvam asatvam cha darshayati. It shows. Darshayati means it shows. Maya shows the world as existent also, as non-existent also. For the same person? No. It shows the world existence for ignorant people. Pratyaksha pramana vadis. It darshayati asatvam. It shows the non-existence of the world for wise people. Those who follow Shastra. Panchadashi student and artham. இந்த ரெண்டு வேலை பண்றது மாயா. How it does na prasaranacha sankochacha. By expanding, prasaranam means what? By opening and artham. By manifesting, by unfolding. Prasaranacha sankochacha. Sankocha means what? By withdrawing, by folding, by closing, by unmanifesting. Sankochacha. Puriyaliyo yatha. If you don't understand, just as Chitrapatavat. What is the chapter name? Chitra Deepa Prakaranam. Chitra example, Deepa example, Rund example. In the first 17 slokas we saw. Chitrapatavat. That painter just opens the canvas, close the canvas. Once opens the canvas, what are all there? Woman, men, and dog, elephant, mountains, rivers, plants, trees, shrubs, everything is there in under. Close, nothing is there. Chitrapatavat. Bhagavan's canvas is what now? The entire universe is Bhagavan's canvas. Now opened or closed? When you sleep in the class, it is closed. Therefore, thank God, it is not closed for you because you are all responding. I am very happy. Sankochat prasaranacha yatha chitrapata tatha. Just as the chitrapata, the painting canvas, like that, the whole world is chitrapatavat. Pata means vastram. Pata means what? Vastram, that canvas sheet, painting sheet. Next shloka. Asvatantra hi maya syat apratitir vinachitim swatantrapi tathaiva syat asangasyanyatha kritehe. Further, function of Maya, it is given in that Upanishad, Nrisimha Uttaratapani Upanishad, which belongs to Atharvana Veda. That is a long mantra. In that Nrisimha Tapani Upanishad, there are no sections and all. Totally 9 mantras. In the 9th mantra it comes. I will just read the mantra. If you want, next class I will put on the board. Tamo rupan bhutehe tadetad jadam mohatmakam anantam tuchhamidam rupam asya. Asya vyanjika nitya nivrittau api moodhaihi atma iti drishta. Asya sattvam cha asatvam cha darshayati. Siddhitvat asiddhitvabhyam swatantra aswatantratvena sa esha vata bija samanyavat aneka vata shakti eka eva. This is the relevant portion for us. Before that there are lot of lines. After this there are lot of lines. So I have taken only that portion where he is using swatantra, aswatantra. That word comes here. Aswatantra hi maya. Maya is aswatantram. It is not independent. That we know from Gita onwards we are listening. Maya is aswatantra. Why it is aswatantra? It cannot exist on its own. What do you mean by it cannot exist on its own? Means it borrows existence from me, the Brahman. From Brahman. How long we say from that Brahman, from that Brahman? From me, the original consciousness, existence principle, I am the Satchidananda, lends existence. This flower is. Can flower say, I am? Flower is inert. It cannot say, I am. The existence, where from it is taken? From me. So, I am that Brahma Chaitanyam, Atma Swarupam, lending existence to the flower, says flower is. Flower is. So, this flower, Nama Rupa, belongs to Maya. The easiness in the flower, flower is there. That easiness is borrowed from me. You apply for all objects like this, not only one jasmine flower. Every day keeping jasmine flower, oh Swamini showed the jasmine flower. It's not like that. Every object, whatever you are using, book is, pen is, clip is, if they are able to know their existence, Swamini, I am here, you know that you can use me. It can say. Many times we miss our keys, you know. Key is where we keep another. When I give the key, where are you? Key. Make noise, I am here. Unfortunately, key cannot make any sound. No. That is why he says, Maya aswatantra syad apratitehe vinachitim. Without consciousness, chitim means without this Brahma Chaitanyam, consciousness, existence, without borrowing this, I am conscious of this flower. This flower is to say it is, I am aware of flower. Chitim vina apratite. It is not evident without the awarer. Chitti means here what? Awarer, consciousness, sentiency. Without that, the flower's existence you cannot talk of. Flower is to say, before that, what you have to fulfill? I must be conscious of the flower. Chitim vina, without the chit, chitti kadiyadu. Chitti means chit, sentiency, awarer, consciousness. To prove the existence of the flower, someone must be aware of. Who is that awarer? Is a conscious entity or an unconscious entity? A conscious entity can talk about flower is, or unconscious person talk about flower is. Are you conscious of the flower? Are you aware of the flower? That means you are consciousness. That means you are Brahman. So to say flower is, you must be conscious of. Therefore you are able to say flower is. Now, Chitim Vina, without that consciousness, awarer, observer, experiencer, can this flower have an existence of its own? Therefore, Maya Nama Rupa is Asvatantra. Every Nama Rupa is nothing but Maya. Maya is Asvatantram. Depending upon me, the Sat Chit Ananda Anantam Brahman. So, Maya is real or unreal now? Seemingly real. Pavan, depending upon me. Every object in your house, including your body. Every object, including your body. See the next line. Swatantra api tatha eva syat. Even though it is swatantram also, it is aswatantram also. Aswatantram in its existence, to establish its existence, it cannot establish on its own. It is dependent upon me. But it is independent from certain aspects. What are they? Swatantra. That is also important. When it is swatantra, tatha eva swatantra syat, it is able to produce nama rupa. You cannot say Brahman alone helping to produce nama rupa. Asti bhati priyam rupam nama chet amsha panchakam adyatrayam brahma rupam jagad rupam tatodvayam. Maya konchamavat papam will give power to that. Swatantra. Yen nama rupa, in giving nama rupa, it has got swatantram. In giving nama rupa, it has got swatantram. Why it is not depending upon Brahman? Me, the consciousness, existence principle, why this Maya is not depending upon me for its nama rupa? Before you are seeing itself, it is jasmine. Yes, sir. Before you are seeing also, it is jasmine flower, it has got a form. You have not given, but you have given only existence. You have not given the form, you have not given the color, you have not given the name. It is Swatantra. If Atma gives Nama Rupa, what will happen, Atma Asangatvam will go away. Atma Asangaha, Nishkriyaha. Atma cannot give Nama Rupa to the flower. If it gives, it becomes Kriya. Since Atma is Nishkriyaha, Asangaha, it cannot give the Nama Rupa. Maya only appears in the form of Nama Rupa. More in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.